Yet another session today on behalf of Institute Innovation Council of VMKV Engineering College. Today's topic is on problem solving and ideation, to be delivered by Dr. T. Muthumanikam, Professor and Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Professor Muthumanikam is well known for developing a good number of innovative electronic gadgets in our institution. He has already collaborated with Indian Institute of Science and developed 2 products. And right now he is developing a very good product related to COVID-19 on smart ventilator. A right person for today's session to deal with the topic problem solving and ideation. Problem solving and ideation mean how to create or how to develop or how to inculcate ourselves to form an innovative idea and how the problems can be solved when this innovative idea is further nurtured, developed. So once it is developed, many problems may come and how to solve those problems. So these are all the discussions in today's workshop. Have a very good session. And I thank Dr. Muthumanikam for accepting our invitation to be the resource person. I thank my organizers, Innovation Ambassadors, Mr. Suresh Kumar and Professor Selvaraju from EC Department, and of course, the President of IAC, Dr. Arun Kumar Madhavapan. I am handing over the proceedings to the resource person. I hope that you will be enjoying the session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your warm welcoming. So my dear friends and my dear students, it is my great pleasure. I'm going to deliver a small presentation regarding the problem solving and ideation. In a simple sentence, our principals are given the entire theme of the today's presentation, problem solving and ideation. So as we all know that what is problem solving and ideation, see that and all how we are going to derive the problem first. For that problem, what are the ideas we have, that how we are going to solve it. After solving it, what idea we have, that idea, how we are going to make it as a business, or how we are going to make it as a product, or everything is in your hand. So in this regard, so I thanks the organizers, especially for our principal sir, and then President of IAC of VMKVC, Dr. Arun Kumar, and then from my department people, Mr. G. Suresh Kumar, Innovation Ambassador, and then Professor S. Selvaraju, Innovation Ambassador. Thank you for the opportunity. I'll go for the presentation. In the first slide, say how given like this. See, creativity is past, present, and future. See, how can we know where we are going without knowing first where we have been? For an example, suppose we may have so many ideas, but sometimes we don't have an ideas. But how we are going to nurture that idea if we have idea? Suppose maybe we are cross so many problems across, and then how we are going to make all the problems to an idea, that and all we are going to see today. Since that I said, how can we know where we are and where we want to move it and how we are going to solve it? See, for that, a small gift from the God as a new phenomenon. See, as we all know that I have given one table. See, we have a nature's creation and human's creation. See, the nature's creation, we have venoms and poisons. See, the right side, we have anesthetics. The leaf that we have converted as a solar panel. The brain is nothing but a computer electronic circuitry. As in the same way, DNA or computer program, and eardrum is a microphone, and then songbirds is like nothing but the same music. So it is everything is gifted by our God. So how we are going to make the nature by our human to create a new idea or to innovate something. See, from that, what we are going to contribute for our country to make an Indian product. For that, how we have to get the idea, how we are going to, okay, once I have an idea, how I am going to nurture that idea. That idea, it should not be with me only. It has to come from me to the market, and then how our college will help, maybe a student or maybe a faculty member. Even though if it is students members, students, it can be make it as a product. Then they can apply for some funding with the help of entrepreneurship. In the same way, if it is a faculty, we have so many people are doing research. See, for that also we have did so many literature survey. See, from that how we are going to setting our objective for a problem creation. Okay, that and all we can have. So as we know that the role of what is the role of the brain. Okay, in the brain itself, we have a logical thinking. We have imagination by seeing that our eyes what we have it, and then we can know what is the color, and then what is the energy and drawing everything. For it is a brain is a common for all the human beings. Okay, usually in for a joking purpose, we will say that for you God given a small brain, for you God gave you a big brain, like that. Usually people will say that, but it's not like that. A brain is always a brain. Okay, from the brain itself we have a lot of things are there, but only thing is how we are going to use for that brain. See, that is the thing. Okay, see, for that I am start with one good example. So let's look at the field of a music. If I want to be a great musician, what we do need a good ear. First of all, I need an ear, good ear, to learn to, which may have some biological organ. Okay, see, if I have a ear, say I can know, I can feel the music, not only the music, but also if I want to become a master on that music, say I have to study the theory, how they are writing the codings and all, say, and then get practice. The same way, if I am a super talented after the many practices, I may become a great pianist, but only if I study hard. So that is the one criteria. In another criteria, if I'm not a super talented, but I study hard, but I may not be the greatest pianist in the world, but I can certainly become a competent for anyone. So we have two options. So that option is in our hand. So we can choose any one option. Okay, it is, I give it to your choice. So if I want to become a Superman, then I have to do some super things. If I want to maybe a middleman or more than that, I have to do something. But I can give you a competitor to any other Superman. So that is the idea for this. Creativity is a nature or a nurture. So that is the idea. So why creativity is important? As we all know that all business sectors seek novelty. For an example, today so many consumer products are coming day by day. Maybe within a week or within a month it will be great obsolete, and the new product is coming that. See, for an example, one thing I will tell you. See, in today's scenario, say people we are mostly liking mobile phones. See, especially for the Samsung mobile phone. See, and that Samsung, as we know that see, they are keep on changing the model, and then keep on their varying their variants. But people are also looking to purchase. They are not bothering about the cost. See, they are bothering about now. People are thinking in a quality way how it will be help to us. Say, especially for this pandemic period, how it will help for our online classes. See, like that we have so many products are coming day by day. Since similarly, we have in the media also so many technologies are also coming. In fashion also, we have so many things are there. In travel also, we have so many business classes are there. So many classes are there. Okay, and similarly for an medicines, especially for this pandemic period. Already Pfizer has invented, and then they are going to introduce that medicine in the market. Already Sputnik has introduced. So day by day, some new thinking is coming. No, so many creativity is also coming. So the creativity is nothing but first we have to take the problem. What is the problem, that we should understand it. So what, first of all, what type of problem this one? How we are going to make a solution for this problem? We have a number of solutions, but we doesn't know that whether all the solutions are fulfilling that particular problem or not. But in the trial and error way only, we have to find out the solution. See, for that one, we should have some, the best one is we should have some creative thinking is essential for everyone. See, if we have a creative thinking, then we can succeed what we want. So that is the objective I want to share in this today's presentation. So first of all, everyone have a creative thinking, then everything will come automatic. See, creative thinking is nothing but it is a dream. See, first I want to become a engineer, means so after +2 I can go and join some engineering college. It's not like that. See, first I have to make a dream. See, once I get a seat from this college, see what I want to do it, what I want to make. See how I'm going to use the technology and how I'm going to present to the people and then to the country. See, like that we should have the dream. See, that is nothing but a thinking, and that I'm telling as a creative thinking. Okay, what is a creativity? See, there is no doubt that creativity is the most important human resource of all. See, because as I said, that's what I have put that brain image, because all are having a creativity. See, only thing is, see, we have to think it. So that's what, there is no doubt that creativity is the most important human resource for all, especially for the young budding engineers. See, all are having with a good resource as present because of the pandemic. You have a good mobile phone in your hand. Suppose you may come across so many issues or so many problems. See, for that problems, how we are going to give a solution for this? Okay, for that, without creativity, there would be no progress, and we would forever repeating the same patterns. So that's what, there is no doubt that creativity is the most important human resource of all. Okay, one example I have given. See, as we all know that the Levi's jeans pants. So actually it is from the US. Actually, initially at the starting of the company, right, what they did is they are not invented the jeans. Actually, they have supply the dresses for the mining people. Okay, later on they can think that why can't we, because when the mining we have so many dirties, right? So the cloth should be like that quality. See, for that they have made some thick and then a mud color. So later on they have think in a different aspect, and then they made it as a jeans. Then it will come to a market. See, now in the world the #1 jeans is Levi's. Okay, so like that, so many examples are there. So that maybe we may know that. So first of all, what we want to learn, so, and what we want to, how we are going to find out the problem. So that is the thing. That's what I said. First, you should have some dream. From that dream, okay, I can have, for an example, if I am coming from my home to college. So from home to college, right, it is about 20 kilometers. In 20 kilometers, right, when I'm driving a car, okay, in left and right, in front of me and backside, so many things it is I'm watching and coming. Since sometimes I may have some good feelings, sometimes I may have some bad feelings because of the environment or because of the problem or because of the traffic, like so many things we have come across. See, for that moment, see, how can I give you a small solution for that? Okay, that is the one thing. And then same way, if we are in our home, okay, you just think about the mixie or grinder, whatever it may be that. In earlier days, right, we don't have such facilities. See, for that we have to spend a lot of time, and then we have to work hard. Then only we can know, and then we can grind all those things. But nowadays, right, we have a mixie, grinder, and then now 2-in-1 is there. Mixer, grinder is available. So many things, because that's what. So in the same way, we have in a printer. Earlier, only printer we can take only the printout, but now we can take this scanning also, we can do it, and then we can make the PDF file also with the help of printer. Lot of things we can do it, but one single printer for a multi-purpose. So we should have some dream. That's what always I'm insisting that. So I should have some dream. Then only I can achieve something. So there are three components of creativity is there. So one is domain relevant skills, and then creative process, and then intrinsic task motivation. So what is domain relevant skills? I belongs to maybe ECE, or somebody belongs to mechanical, biomedical, pharma, or computer science, whatever it may be that. Okay, once you got the admission from the respective department, what type of skills you needed for that particular domain, for either CSE, ECE, or biomedical, or whatever it may be. See, for the domain, you have to find it first of all. Then you have to learn it. Okay, if I prefer a computer science department, first of all, I should know the basics of C and C++. Okay, so similar way, if I go for a mechanical, I should know the basic concept of CAD. Okay, in the same way, if you are coming for that, you should know some hardware programming structure, that all. So for that, domain relevant skill is mandatory for everyone. And the similar way, a creative process. Okay, for that, how we are going to make it is. How we are going to make it as a process. See, for an example, a creative process, maybe it may be for the biotech people or a pharmaceutical people. Okay, they may go for some creative process. See, in this intrinsic task motivation, it is everything comes from our body. So these three components is the creativity to make any great. So how we are going to make it as an idea? That's what. So generate as many ideas which you like to do. See what changes. Okay, once you have so many ideas in your hand, so but we doesn't know whether all the idea is correct or not. So whether we can implement that idea is that we doesn't know that. See, for that, what, so okay, once first you take one idea, and then for what purpose you want to make that idea, first you just imagine that one. So then what changes you want to do in that particular idea, you want to introduce it. And then second one, see what takes too long, that also you should take it. Okay, suppose if I'm taking one idea, if I'm keep on working for more than a year or a 2 year or a 3 year, but it is not good. So because nowadays, so many people have already started the research in some 6 months back or 8 months back. Okay, especially for the COVID medicines. But see, in the market, actually Sputnik only has introduced. But later on, only so many companies are coming. So in the similar way, if I have an idea, that I have to think it in a trial and error manner. Okay, see for that, yeah, time to market is also very important, and what it takes too long, and what is wasted, and what is too complicated. See, all these things are you should analysis, and what are the where are the bottlenecks? In what way I am an efficient, and what way I am an inefficient. Okay, in some way I may be efficient. In some other cases I may be inefficient. In that case I may be dependent on some other people. See, on that time you may go for some multidisciplinary projects, that and all. So you can get from the input from those guys also. You just to make a team from those guys, and then you just sit together, and then you get the idea from each and everyone, and get the things from each and everyone, and then what you want to make it is, and what takes too long. Okay, that and all you have to decide each and every time. Okay, then you just to make it as a idea. So once you have an idea, you just how we are going to solve it. See, for that, a creative problem is a solving steps. See, first of all, find the issues of interest to deductive mindset was used. So this is a problem definition, and idea generation is, see, brainstorming a multitude or a creative ideas using imaginative initiative mindset of an artist. See, for example, if I have an idea, it may be I can develop that idea, and sometimes it may get failure, but we should not fret up it. We can go for a trial and error method, and then we have to do some synthesis. That's what we should go for, some practical method. Okay, that thing is necessary. And then in idea judgment also, okay, if you have some best solutions, and then first of all you should know what are the positive side and what are the negative side. These things has to decide it. So once you have all those lists, okay, then you can implement for the first one. Okay, it is okay, or okay, this is okay for some level. Okay, and then you just take the second idea, and then similarly for 2-3 ideas randomly you just take it and then you just implement it. So then now what we are doing is we just making a solution for a particular problem. Okay, so similarly we have some 5 or 6 problem. For the 6th problem, why we are having 6 problem? For the one particular, to make one particular idea for those things. See, for 6th problem, it may be 2 only used for particular idea. It may be sometimes it may use for all the 5. It depends on the problem. Okay, for that these 5 steps is important. So if creativity is solving problems, okay, what is innovation? Okay, see, first we should know what is the first we should have some creative thinking. See, from the creative thinking, right, we have so many problems. For the each and every problems, right, we should have some solutions by making a solutions. Okay, and then at last minute, right, we are going to make it as a one idea. Okay, that idea, it may be, we can say it may be innovation, or it may be a creation, or it may be a we can say anything. So if creativity is solving a problem, what is an innovation? That is the second thing. So innovation is people implementing ideas. So from the idea is nothing but a innovation. Okay, so that idea may be innovation. So innovation has a several fact. See, for that we should have a, for an example, actually principal sir said in the year 2015 December, in the same month in the year 2015, along with my students, with the principal sir, we went on IISc Bangalore with some good number of proposals, from 5-10 proposals. See, from that one proposal we have presented over there. See, especially for the one thing I will tell you, right, on a helmet. See, actually, see, on that time only our government has strongly instructed and insisted everyone while driving a motorcycle, everyone has to wear the helmet. See, on that time, okay, in somebody may followed and somebody may not followed. That is the thing. And the other option is, okay, maybe in sometimes, right, in some homes, right, some people have drunk and then drive. So that is also, that case is also was there. So on that time, so many drunk and drive cases is also there. So we formed a group of people and then we sit together and then we discussed. Okay, so a mandatory is a helmet. Okay, that one we had taken it. So okay, and then for drunk and drive, what is the option? How we are going to make it as? See, for that, see, our first option is mandatory is helmet. And then second option we have incorporated for drunk and drive. Okay, that also we have to curtail it. So second option we have taken it. And then third option what we have taken is, okay, see, if I'm riding a bike, right, because many marketing people are there. So their business is always they have to travel long distance for marketing. See, for that time they have keep on talking to their customers, keep on talking to their managers. See, for that what we have to do that, okay, they need some battery level. So, but see, while for that what we did is we just make okay, we thought that, okay, we have to give you a continuous supply to the battery. So on that time we have discussed, so why can't we import the solar panel on the helmet? So that is the third thing. So, and fourth thing, actually we have seen in so many nearby the hospitals or school zones. So there will be some speed limiting zones are available, but people are not following. Some people are following nice way and some people are not following. So that also we into our mind. So it's the same way. Okay, if I'm by riding a bike, right, and then if I fall down from the bike, what will happen that maybe if I, okay, within a second, if I come back to the normal position, there is no issues. Suppose if I am taking more time, say on that time, if I'm not conscious, right, how I can know that, how other people will help me for that moment. Okay, see for that also we have to do something. So we incorporated all those things and then we made an on helmet that is an intelligent helmet. So the condition after wearing the helmet only the bike will get started. And then second one, okay, see it will check the alcohol, whether I have consumed alcohol or not. If I consumed alcohol, it won't give the permission to start the vehicle. So and third one, say I can give I have given the option for the long time travel for especially for the marketing people. I have incorporated the solar panel. And fourth one, see whenever it reaches the speed limiting zone, automatically the speed of the vehicle should be reduced automatically. For that we have kept a transmitter and receiver, and then for a fall down we have given some sensor. We have given option for 1 or 2 minutes I can wake up, there is no issue. If more than that I can give a permission to my automatically a message will go to my nearby people, maybe my friend or home or nearby hospitals. So then and there the people will come and pick up it. So like that we have implemented so many things. Okay, so because this is a one helmet. Okay, so we have an idea, and then we have these are the problems. See, so one is helmet is a mandatory, so that is the one problem. And similarly, drunk and drive, that is the second problem. And third one is problem is continuous speaking, so the charge will not be there, so that is the third problem. And then fourth problem for school limiting zones, speed limiting zones, people are not obeying the rules, so that is the fourth problem. And fifth problem is, okay, if I fall down from the vehicle, right, sometimes I may wake up and sometimes, right, I may be unconscious. So at that time, that is also one problem. So for that moment, we incorporate all those things and then we given as a product, and then we got a funding from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and then that we made it as a product. So from the problem only, we can have an idea. So that idea is nothing but an innovation. See, that only I want to convey here. So innovation is people implementing ideas. So that create a new value for those things. See, for that only during their Indian Institute of Science Innovation Day, they have given a certificate to principal, and then we are also there on that time. So that's what life laughs at when you are unhappy. Life smiles at when you are happy. Life salutes when you make others happy. So that's what. So the last sentence, right? Life salutes you when you make others happy. So now the people, right? If the product is come to the market, so everybody will happy. So that's what. So whenever you want to make an innovation, it should not be used only for you. It should be useful for others. That's what in the first introduction itself I said. You make some innovation, it should be reached to the market, and it should be make it as a product, and then it should be used by our people, especially from India. So if like that, you just make it any product. See, in this aspect, every organization is doing innovation at some level of expertise. See, if you want to improve your innovation capabilities, you need to know where to focus your efforts. Okay, sir, I have an idea. Okay, say how I want to make this idea. So kindly please help me. For an example, right? One mechanical student is having some idea. Okay, so then not only issue that, or maybe EC students, sir, I'm having one idea. Sir, I want to make this as a product. So please give your suggestion. It is not mandatory, only HOD has to do it. So they can, who is well-wisher and who is well known to the particular student, that particular students, you go and meet your faculty members and ask him, and then he may give you some guidance. See, from the guidance, okay, in sometimes it may achieve 100%, and sometimes it may need some more external source, and that time the respective faculty can get help from their colleague, and sometimes they may get help from the HOD, and sometimes they may get help from other HODs also. Suppose it is a collaborative. For example, if I make a combination of mechanical and electronics, right, both students has to involve and both the department faculty has to involve. Okay, and then you can get the, okay, once I have an idea, okay, how I want to make it as a product, because if I want to make it as a product, I need some funding. See, for that, how I can go for that? If even faculty knows that you can apply for this funding, that funding. Okay, even you can meet our principals are also in this aspect, because he is know very well about the incubation, because as we know, as already many times we have said that, see, in this Salem zone, we are the first college has set up the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Incubation Center. See, from the incubation center, we can nurture that idea, that we can step by step, we can make it as a product, and then we can market it. See, and then you need to know where to focus your efforts. So that's what. See, for that, some domain skills is necessary. For that domain skill, okay, for this one, I have to learn C++. For this one, I want to learn MATLAB. Okay, in the similar way, if it is a biomedical or a biotechnology people, okay, they should have some chemical equations, okay, how it is going to react. So for those things, okay, that is the domain knowledge. For the domain knowledge, what you want to do, that you should know it, okay, because maybe in the first year or a second year you may coming, right, only you should know only the basics. Later on, we doesn't know that, and that time you just go and talk to your friendly faculty members, and then your HODs, even principal also, and then you just say your idea. Sir, I have idea that I want to make it is, kindly help us. Definitely in our institution, all people will help you to make it as a product. Because like that, we have developed so many products. Everything is available in our incubation center. Possible, right? Once the all the lockdown is over, see, maybe in the 2021, maybe a good year for everyone. So on that time, you just come and have a visit. Then you will have some idea. Then you have some innovation among you. But one thing in this moment, because now you people are in, many of the students are in their respective homes, except the final years. Okay, anyhow, final years, many of the students has got placement. And from first year to third year, students are in their home. So so maybe online classes, you have maybe 5 hours or 6 hours. So later on, you are in a free condition only. And that time, right, you just focus it on any one or two problems. Okay, for that, how I'm going to make it as a solution for those problems. Okay, you just take a note and then you just note it down. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, this is the first problem and second problem, third problem. So like that, you just have some 10 or 15 problems with you. Okay, and then daily you just collect a problem. So once it reaches maximum 10, you just take it as a one problem. See, for that problem, what I want to do it. So that's what you need to know, where to focus your efforts. Okay, that is the thing I want to convey here. Okay, so once you have a idea, okay, once you have a focused, then you can know that, okay, for this one I have to learn this thing. Okay, you just note it down. Okay, for this, then for the second issues, I have to depend on some other department friends. For this one, I have to depend on my faculty. So like that, you just write it down step by step. So then one fine morning, you just have a look for that particular problem or particular creation, right? You have some good idea. So that idea, you just to bring it back to us. Definitely our college people will help you to make it as a product. Okay. So in this case, innovation involves the whole process from the opportunity. See, opportunity, right? It should be created by you only. We may show the path, but the opportunity you have to create it. Okay. Then identification, ideation, or invention to development. So then you have to make it as a prototype, and then products and marketing and sales. So these things are innovation, right? Okay, once I have an idea, that idea I have make it as a prototype. Okay, once I have make it as a prototype, the prototype model is working fine. Then I can go for the next step. Then I can go for a product. For that, the technology transfer, I have to do that. For the technology transfer, what are the things I have to do that? How can I nurture that prototype to the product, that you can do it from our incubation center. We have a good facilities. Almost in all the department house nowadays, we have good facilities. Try to make use of it. For that, you should have, that's what, you should have some creative thinking first of all. If you don't have a creative thinking, it is very difficult to use it. So for that only, you have to do a lot of research, right? See, on that research, you should write it. Okay, for this is the solution. For this is the solution. For that. So, okay, for that, as I said, that who is the external drive? Parents, teachers, friends, and sometimes your peer members. Then you will get a small success. This is the one thing I have taken from this is for the PhD students actually, PhD scholars. So usually a good research largely depends on the selected problem. 90% of the research job is done when you find a good problem. A good problem is difficult to find, but not too easy or not too difficult. Actually, this is very good and interesting. Okay, how to select a problem? It is an old problem or a a new problem, but usually new problem having more opportunities. See, like that way, because many people are nowadays, right, joining for as a research scholar. For that, right, we have so many thrust areas are available. For that area, how we are going to make it as a problem from those things, which problem it is good for you. Okay, that and all, you have to do some literature survey. From the literature survey, you just derive it and then you just make it as a problem. So that's what a practically important, a technically challenging. So that's what I said. So old problem or a new problem, but a new problem having a more opportunities. So try to find it as a more for a new problem. So this is for only research scholars, not for the students. So actually in the innovation, we have three types. Actually, one is a process innovation, or a product or a technical innovation, or an administrative innovation. See, what is process innovation? See, for a process innovation, we can say, see, from the Department of Biotechnology or a pharmaceutical engineering. The same way for a product technical innovation, it may be any circuit branch students, ECE, biomedical, computer science, EEE, mechanical, auto, aero, so many people, or a combination of both hardware and software also there, or a combination of medical as well as the engineering, it is also possible. Okay, that's what I have said, that it is a multidisciplinary project. So, but that is also a product, and that is also a technical innovation. And then administrative innovation is for the MBA students, right? They can go for especially for an MBA students, right? They can go for an administrative. How the administrative we can make it as an easy. For these things are available in the innovation. So with respect to our category, we can go for it. So one thing, if first of all, that's what I am always insisting. You should have some creative thinking. See, then you just have an imagination where I want to achieve, how I am going to achieve it. Suppose without knowing something, if you are taken one problem, then I want to achieve it. It is very difficult. It will take too long. Okay. See, for that, something you know means, right? Then you just take the problem and then try to do it. Okay. So initially you just tried a small problems, and then you try for some good problems. So once you have an good idea and the good confidence, and then good skills, right? Then you can go for a big problems, right? Especially for an engineering students, right? In the final year, you have a project work. Similarly, in the third year or a final year, first semester, you have a mini project. See, on those things, right? You can try it for a small product, right? That you just make it as a prototype. That you just do it in our respective laboratory. That you just make it and see it. Okay, whether this product is available in the market or not. You just do the search in the Google. Then you will have some idea. Then okay, something is available already. What you can add it, some add-on. Then you just add it one or two things in a new way. Then you just make it as a product. That is nothing but an innovation. So this one I have said state innovation. Okay, how to find your problems? That's what I have said. New solutions to the old problems. As I said, a mixer, grinder, And then for a new problems, right, we may have so many things, and then it should be a new area. But in this, the third category, okay, you should have some more confidence, then only you can choose it. So for that new area, it's also very difficult for an even though PhD scholar also. See, because if you are an expert for in some area, that from the area you just choose the problem. Don't choose the unknown areas or some other thing. So this is the thing here. So innovation and good versus good and bad problems. Okay, good problem is after the research, more people will doing it. You just open the door. But after the research, nobody can improve it. You close the door. Bad research problem is nobody will follow the research, and nobody really cares the research. It is a good, interesting one. So that's what I have said, that you just do it, make it as give a try to give a solution for a old problem with a new solution, or you just enhance the old problem with the new technology, or enhance the problem with some new add-on values. So for like that only you have to make it as a innovation. So that's what I said. What is a new innovation? What do you define as new? Can mean different things to different people. Yes. New to the world. Yes. New to the firm. Definitely. Addition to existing products are improvement and revision of existing products. Yes. And then at last one is a cost reduction, because nowadays everything, right, we are looking the price, not only the price, the quality also. See, and the last two is up to you and then up to us, right? Depends on the person who is going to make. And then, but time to market is once you made an innovation, that try to make it bring it to the market. It's just holding in your home or a laboratory or in college, it is waste. So try to bring it to the market. See, for that, then only you have some marketing skill. So try to find it. That's what in the second or third slide I said, that you should focus your area where you want to focus it. What technology or what skill you want to think it. So for that technology or that skill, you just try to improve after making it as an ideation through Google search. And then this is the one best example, right? Not all innovations are successful. I have given so many innovation photos, but it is not all innovations are successful. Okay. So these are the so once we should know it. So once you have found something, it should not be wasted. It should be useful by and then it has to be used by others. That's what. So you just make others happy, not you only. You have to make others happy. So how can we ideas start with solving a problem? You first do if you have an idea, okay, for that you just do the literature, you just make it as a data, just store down, and then you just try to know how it will be reflect, and then what are the review methods for each reflection, and this product is for who, okay, and then is any other way to implement or to make this product. These things you should know it. This is a common for anyone. It may be a process, or it may be administrative, or it may be a product or innovation. See, this is a general thing. Okay, these things he has to follow while making an innovation or in a product, or maybe a process. So because we have to, suppose I want to make one product. Okay, if it is a new invention, it's okay, fine, good. But innovation, once you is speaking about the innovation, then you have to look about the back. Okay, what is the past? From that, what others have did. So that data, how to collect it. Okay, and then you just note it down. Okay, Okay, some X's did this one, and then Y's did that one. So like that, you just note it down, and then keep it with you along, and then you just reflect it, and then you just go for the methods. What are the methods? In which methods they have a methodology they have adopted, and then this is for whom. Okay, that also it is also mandatory. Okay, whether it is any other way to change it and that methodology, and then if even though if you change the methodology, whether it will be good for us, that also you have to do it. So again, you have to come for the review method. So again, you have to go for it is a cyclic process. Then one fine morning you'll have an idea. So for that you should have a planning, and then capacity you should have. See, planning is a mandatory for all those things, because once you wasted your time, if you take in too long, it is wasted. And then whether you have if you are taking the known problem, it is good for you. So that is your capacity. If you are taking some unknown problem, it is very difficult to implement or to complete it. So depends on your capacity. You just take it, and then try to execute it. So just to keep concentration, and that is nothing but a focus. Okay. See, on this thing, how to build a team. See, in this one, as I telling you, for a multidisciplinary project, okay, suppose maybe in our institution or a medical college, from our institution, or maybe a physiotherapy college, or from our EC to biomedical, or biomedical to EC, or EC to mechanical, whatever may be that. Okay, see, we should have some issues that you note it down. Okay, these issues, who is going to give you a solution? Okay, for this one, mechanical student, just note it down the mechanical. Okay, for this one, okay, I can able to know. Okay, no issues. For that one, I need help from the computer science students. Okay, that you note it down. So like that, you just categorize your list. Okay, and then you just try to find a team. Okay, for that, identifying the issue, that is the first thing. Setting a specific objective, and then you just call all those guys, right, from these departments. You just make it as a team member, and then you just convey. Anyhow, someone has to initiate it. For that person has to initiate, and then that person has to share. Okay, what I want from others. For this area, I need help from you. For that area, I need help from you. So like that, he has to say about his idea. Then he has to get the input from each and everybody. See, and then after getting the idea, we just setting a specific objective. So that is the first one. And then after that, we just analyzing the fact. Okay, for this one, it is possible to develop it, or it is possible to make it. Okay, it is possible, no problem. Then you can go for the next step. If it is not possible, you can go for the alternative, developing alternative. Okay, so okay, if in alternative it is successful, and then you just evaluate the alternative. And last one is deciding and acting. So, and then once you decided, you just try to do the action. So this is the way. In the similar way only, it is a group. It's a success of a group. So a person who is initiating, he should have a open-minded. He has to elaborately deliver the what is the idea he has. That idea has to reach each, and suppose if a 5 in a group, okay, it has to reach to each and all the 5 members. Okay, and then in the same way, suppose the second one has wants to contribute for say CSE or a mechanical or an ECE. Okay, he has to say about, okay, this is my area that I have to take it. So I am going to concentrate this one, that how I am going to implement and how it will satisfy you. See, like that, you have to discuss among you, and then you decide and act. So, it is very difficult because a single person can do, but a group of people, it is very difficult. So all the people would have a same mindset, and then all the people has to sail on the same boat. If one is left side and right side and then front and back, it is very difficult. So like that, you just make a team, then you just go for a multidisciplinary project. Or it may be from engineering itself, we have a multidisciplinary project also, it is possible. You can just talk to a HOD principal, sir, definitely you can do it like this type of product or project. So selecting your team or building a team is very important for a multidisciplinary project. Okay, so now I have a creation and then I have an idea. That idea, I will say that it is an innovation. Okay, after innovation, what can I do? So that innovation is nothing but invention plus commercialization. So we should need some. So why you want to make it as a product, or why I want to make it as an innovator? For holding with me, it is not an innovation. It is for it is wasted. So once you have innovated, that's what focus your area. It is for whom, that also you should select it. So once okay, I am going to attack the automobile area. So I am going to attack the cyber security area. So I want to attack the hardware side. I am going to attack the routing part. So that like that I have so many ideas. Okay, but everything once you made an idea, okay, now the product is with you, the prototype is with you, and then with the help of the prototype, right, only simply in the respective laboratory what it is used, there is no use. So because already we people are suffering based on the placements. So for that, our Indian government is giving making so many entrepreneurship program for the young budding engineers. Don't depend on the placement and don't get the offer letter from the respective company. You just give a placement to everyone. See, for that you should become an entrepreneur. See, for that one, we just try to make it as a commercialization. For that commercialization, okay, you are dependent on the our incubation center, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Incubation Center. From the incubation center, okay, our HOD and our principal sir will help us. Okay, how we are going to make it as a product with the help of transferring that technology by a good means, and then how to get the funding from the respective, the help of either maybe a MSME or any other government funding agencies, or even from our VMRFDU also. Nowadays everything is possible. So that's what. So all innovations having opportunities, but it is up to you how we are going to grasp it. That is in your hand. So that you should decide it. See, one thing I will tell you here, opportunities are not like raindrops. It is called as somebody said, they do not fall at our feet. See, we have to create the opportunity. If we wait for an opportunity to turn up, we'll probably never succeed. So do ideas, you'll get an opportunities. Do problems, you will get an opportunity. So do creative thinking, then you'll have an opportunities. Do product, do innovations, and try to market it and try to make it as an entrepreneur. Then you will get some good things will come. See, before that, one thing I want to tell you, because if you want to, okay, I have a product, I want to make something. Definitely, you have a criticism from all over the side. So that's what different people are looking for different things. Also, they are often biased, but you must accept that it is simply impossible to make everybody perfectly happy. That's what I said. Okay, you have to make others happy. So, okay, so once you made a product, okay, it may be a good or bad, but you have tried. For that, you have to get motivated. For that, you should not get fed up with. And for that, where we have lagged, in which area we have fall down. So that and all you have to note it down. Then immediately you have to keep on note it down. For that, what is the alternative solution? So where we have made a mistake. For that mistake, due to which part? For that part, okay. From this area, okay. That for this one we have used. How to change on that part, and then how to I'm going to make it as some new part. So like that, you have to make it as some new product. Your thing is, your objective is to make others happy. So that is the innovation. uh, if suppose, sir, I don't want others make happy, then don't do innovations. If you want make others happy, do innovation. Because see nowadays, right, recently, uh, especially for the so many electronic toys, so many projects are available. You just go and have a look in the Google search. Okay, nowadays a good demand is for the children's toys, especially for the electronic toys, even though in specific for robotics toys. For that, try to give your try to find a solution for those things. Try to make some hobbies, because now because we now everything in our mindset in India. Okay, everything you want to make from our Indian, we just make Indian product. Okay, so for that you have so many opportunities are there. Okay, at the initial stage, you just try to make just some small hobby projects. That project, okay, once you get to succeed, then you just make it as the next step. So like that, you just try for the, maybe I'm in a first year, I have some ideas. First year I cannot able to do, I'm accepted. But in second year, fourth semester and all, so I can do something. Once you enter the third year, you can do better. In the third year, sixth semester, you can do the best. In final year, in the third year itself, you just um, make your mindset. I want to become an entrepreneur. So I don't want to get job from others. I want to give job from my side to others. See, and that mindset you should have. Then only you have an um, good success in your life. So creativity, and then invention, and then opportunity, and then entrepreneurship. See, all together, see, once ability to creative, that is an invention. And then so once you have invention, you have an opportunities, and then success. Or invention directly have a success. But all those things are mixed together. But for those things, for making an idea or making an innovation, you just try to concentrate the do's and don'ts with you. Okay, and then where you want to focus it, in which area I want to focus it, this and all, it is mandatory. So then you have all those things, you have an entrepreneurial environment, then you can go for an entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur. So do something, ideate your knowledge, innovate it, and do startup or start a small business with the help of your innovation. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Any doubts, please?
Participants, if you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your questions. Participants, feedback link is been shared in the chat window. You can use to generate your certificate. Now I call upon Professor S. Selvaraju sir to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening. On behalf of the management, principal sir, and staff, I thank our resource person, Dr. T. Muthumanikam sir, for giving a wonderful presentation. Really, this session is an eye-opening for all the faculties and research members to know more about the problem-solving techniques. The ideation which you have given will enhance our thinking skills and bring more innovative solutions for real-time problems. Thank you very much, sir, for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Arun?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable presentation, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Shall we wind up?
Okay, sir. We can find out.